Okay, so building with Bootstrap footers. Congratulations, you've made it to the bottom of the web page. The footers display copyright information, social media links, and sometimes site navigation. Below is one possible implementation for footer section using Bootstrap. First, a footer element with Bootstrap's container class is used. Inside the footer, a div with Bootstrap's row class is added to hold footer content. Finally, the row is divided into parts using Bootstrap's grid. Here is one suggestion. Above the row is broken into three parts. A P element that takes up 4 columns, a UL which takes up 8 columns, and the LI items which take up 1 column each. The allies could hold navigation menu items or social media icons. Again, because the call SM class is used, this layout will appear on the tablet with screens and wider. Screen sizes smaller than tablet width, 768 pixels, will not maintain this layout. Now let's write code for your own footer. So let's create a footer below the supporting contents closing section tag. Create a footer element with Bootstrap's class container. Okay, so beneath the opening footer class container tag, create a div with the Bootstrap class row. Beneath the opening footer class tag. Okay. Beneath the opening footer. There you go. Right, so number 3, divide the row using Bootstrap's grid. Create a P element with the class call SM4 and UL element with the class call SM8. Call SM8, right? E and a UL. Okay, run your code. Number 4, between the P class call SM4 and closing P tags, add the website copyright and copy 2016 skill fair. So we're going to add this copyright. Number 5, here it is. So number 5, UL class called SM8, and you will create 4 ally items. Each will have the class called SM1. I'm just going to make some space around these. And classes and tags. So we're going to add some ally elements. Okay, so number 6, finally inside each ally class called SM1, add an image element that links to a social media icon. So it's saying within each one, add an image element. Source. So we're going to start off with this. Okay, so this is going to be the third one. This is going to be for the fourth one. Okay, so let's run that quickly. Facebook icon. Oh, here's a little bit of a typo. Yeah, there you go. Let's see how that looks like. Okay, so there are the icons. Very cool. Okay, so let's move forward. Bootstrap generalizations. You just built an impressive web page using the Bootstrap CSS framework. Nice work. Right, so let's move forward.